Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at the FALCON aluminum skid assembly that we have here. It's a 48 by 48 aluminum skid that we have a 3000 PSI 5 gallon per minute pressure washer and a 12 volt 7 gallon per minute soft wash system on. So as you move in a little bit closer, I'll go over some more of the details. The skid itself, like I said, it's made out of aluminum. It does has access on both sides, so if you plan on putting it in a truck, a trailer, a van, it's definitely easy to maneuver depending on how you want to fit it on your equipment. The pressure washer is 3000 PSI, 5 gallon per minute. It's got the Honda GX390 engine with the General Pump T-Series belt drive pump. The belt drive is beneficial over a direct drive system. Mostly because it pulls from a tank so much easier. They're heavier duty, they're a lower RPM, they're just nicer overall. The way that we have this one set up is we've got this blue line here, which is our high pressure hose that goes over to your hose reel. It's just the jumper hose. We got this black one here is the bypass line, so that's getting connected directly to your water tank. And what that does is when you let off the trigger while the pressure washer is running, it's recirculating the water from your tank into your pump, keeping it nice and cool and protecting it from overheating. And then down here where this yellow handle is, this is our bleeder valve. So whenever you change your filter or you run out of water, before you start your system up, you'll just open up this valve. That'll bleed out any of the air out of the line. So once you have a consistent flow of water, you shut that back off and then you turn on your system. So it keeps you from having any issues starting up your pressure washer or priming it. From there, we've got this, the wand down at the bottom. This is the soft wash one, but this is your pressure washer wand here. It's a 36-inch assembly with the quick connects. We have our soft wash wand here. I'll go over this while I have it. Just has the stainless steel barb, and then it's got your 4-nozzle J-rod that's quick connected on there. It's not gonna go on easy. Our soft wash system has the blend manifold, which will blend your water, your surfactant, and your bleach. And then we have this running through a Remco 7 gallon per minute pump. It's 100 PSI. And then we have the accumulator tank there. It just kind of helps regulate the flow through the system. And then we've got our NoCo charger. You'll plug this in at the end of every day so that it's ready for use the next day. And that charges the 12 volt battery that we have down here that powers your system. And then we've got the on-off switch easily accessible right there. Moving around front, we've got our 2 hose reels. These are aluminum frame hose reels with stainless steel manifolds, so they're corrosion resistant. We've got 200 feet of the 1/2 inch soft wash hose on top, and then we've got 200 feet of 3/8 pressure washer hose on the bottom. We use the gray hose just to limit the amount of marks it leaves on driveways. We also use the quick connects on the front of these to keep everything nice and secure. So now that I realize it, the wand over here will also have a quick connect on it so it can just quickly pop into place. The Titan hose reels have pin locks on them, keep everything from moving as well. So that in combination with those hoses being locked in, you don't have to worry about anything coming loose in transit. We've got our stainless steel swivels on these reels, and then down below on your pressure washer reel, this is where your soap injector is. So the soap injector is set up to pull off of 2 different sources. With this valve here, we've got a 3-way valve. You can either pull from your bleach tank, which is this large tank in the back. I'll get to that here in a second. Or you can pop it down and you can pull from your injector. I'm sorry, not from your injector, but this additional line here. So if you don't want to pull bleach, you can pull a degreaser or any other type of car wash. So you can use it for multiple applications. They use this hose here with the strainer to go down to any other bucket that you need. Behind us, we have this blue hose. This will connect right to the bottom of your tank. There is a brass hose barb here. 3/4 inch hose. This is your tank drain, and you'll control it with the ball valve that's right on the end here. We keep it brass so that it doesn't break easy, so it's nice heavy duty. As far as operating the soft wash system, with using the proportioning valves, you can set it to however you want for roof washing or for house washing, whatever you need that concentrate to be. We use a dipstick assembly to pull bleach from the tank through your proportioner. The reason we do that is, one, it makes it easy to flush that out. You just take it, drop it down into your water tank, flush out your system, but you can also use this as a transfer pump. So you can drop this dipstick down into your concentrate that's on the ground, and then with your wand assembly through the hose reel, you'll turn on your soft wash system and transfer your soap into, or your bleach into your bleach tank. So it just makes it for a much faster transfer. And then again, when you're done transferring, rinse it out. Keeping these systems rinsed out is pretty imperative for a longer pump life. Our water tank has the garden hose hookup here. You'll notice there's not a garden hose reel on this one, so that garden hose would be used separately. It is an option for us to add a third hose reel on there. If you want to do that down the road, that would be something you would just contact us with, and we would find out what your application is to make sure it would be a safe option for your particular build, because it does require additional support. So that's where your garden hose hookup would go. So your incoming water goes through here. You got a pre-tank filter to keep any buildup from getting inside your tank. And then below you have a float valve, and that just keeps your tank from overflowing whenever it's in use. We have aluminum bands securing both of these, so again, corrosion resistant, keeps it looking nice and as compact as possible. This other 55-gallon tank that we have here is for your bleach or whatever type of detergent you want to run through your soft wash system, but this is your bleach tank. And then we have a 7-gallon surfactant tank, and these two will run through the soft wash system. And then moving back around, like I said, the skid is a 48 by 48, perfect for a lot of different applications. Full measurements are provided on our website, and weight, we are able to ship these if you are not a local contractor. So if you need more information on it, please take a look at our website. It's 3rpressurewashers.com, and we have these in our pressure washer and soft wash skid assemblies. If you're on YouTube right now, you can just go down into the description, and the link will be available there for you to click on, and it'll take you right to that page, again, for more information. But if you have any other questions beyond what you see online, just give us a call, and we can go over with you on the phone. Thanks.